Hello guys, welcome to RentSyst channel. Glad to see you with us again. In this video guide, I want to show you the feature called subcompanies. So what does it mean and for which purposes you may use this option. So RentSyst is designed preferably for the one company. So it means that if you own your own fleet or you have some fleet cars on sub rentals, you can also add it inside RentSyst and use it at the same account. But there's like additional feature called subcompanies, and it means that from the documentary part, like agreements, invoicing, you may also working from the name of two companies, right? So in this video, I will show you how this feature looks like, how it works, how it activated, and how you may use it and improve your business. All right, so we will need to go for the settings, system and modules, advanced settings, and subcompanies. So as you may see, it's disabled right now, right? You may see the clue, ability to create additional companies and work with your reservation with the name of the few companies. If it's disabled and if you're going for company tab, you may see the design looks like this one. All right, this is like a preview of how your logo looks like, company details, and two big buttons for agreement and invoice and signature. If you will going back to modules and activate it, click save, return to companies. Now you may see that you have two companies, and you may add so many companies as you need it. You may have two companies, you may have 3, 4, 5, and etc. But at the same time, you may have only one active as a main default company. You can see this icon, default company, means that all my orders automatically will comes to my RentSyst support account name. So you can see also buttons there. Of course, you cannot delete the main companies because it's the main, but you can delete it all the rest if you have it. Same here. So basically, when you click the actions to edit the company, you will be able to edit full information, document fields. This is for the invoice. Second button, this is agreement template. So pay attention that also you may use two agreement templates. The first one will be always goes from the default companies. Inner text, agreement terms, and I'm using at the same time right now rental business model and leasing business model. It means that I'm also can use two different models for agreement at the same time. So it's the agreement for rental, it's the agreement for leasing. So pay attention for it. So basically you may use it in general like 2, 4, 6, and much more agreements at the same time. Yeah. So, and signature for this company. When you go for the second company, you can also customize logo, the name, information, same document field for invoicing. You can also upload another version of agreement. For instance, this is a good sample for bilingual agreement in case you has like you want to have it English version and your local language version of agreement. You may have it like this one. Simply get it to 2 columns. The left one will be English, the right will be your local language, right? And it will be solution for you. Okay, so let me show you how it, okay, press, yeah, this is okay. And let's go for reservation to show you how this works in the real conditions. So on the reservations, you may see, for instance, SEAT, okay, you may see the agreement. Let me open for you. So this agreement right now is based on my main company. You can see the logo, you can see the name, RentSyst support, and the agreement looks like this one. Okay, but let's say you want to change it. Let's make it up together. Click edit, scroll down, and on the final step with the documents, you may see that you can select company. So again, if you will have it 2 companies, 5, 10 companies, you can select it from the list, and if you change it, system will automatically notify you that to update these changes, you will need to press refresh button for agreement, because if you will open it from here right now, it will be the old one. So we click simply refresh. Now it's refreshed. It's the name right now changed for Bugatti. Open again. And now you may see the same agreement, but from the name and from the details from your second company. Okay. And of course, your template also will change. Okay. Customer can also re-sign up and so on. Same conditions will be done for invoice. Bugatti. Yeah. So this is how it works. Hope this video was useful for you. Automate business with RentSyst, and see you in the next video, guys. Cheers.